Hi and welcome to my channel. Today I thought I would show you how I have organized my items for December daily. I am using the Felicity Jane Noel kit, and right now I have the plastic, it's not saran wrap, but it's the stick it one. What is it called? Anyway, I can't remember. And I have it all organized like this because this is what I did while I was up in Sacramento. And let me show you what I did to organize my stuff. I went ahead and opened all the packages. Here I've got a couple of trees left. I used some of them in my foundation pages. Here are the numbers with the circles. And this, not numbers, sorry, die cut shapes, they're made out of chipboard. And I use this in one of my wreath in my foundation pages. And before I forget, I got this at Joann's for like $2 or $3. But when I was up in Sacramento, the girls wanted to get this little divider thing and they were out of stock. So if I can find them, I will go ahead and link them down below. This is the trim we received from Felicity Jane, so I'm gonna use that. Here's some chipboard and the 3x4 cards that came with the kit. I'll probably use this in my December daily for journaling. So there's that. Here are the numbers. They're white with gold in them. So I'll be using those as well. And then here are all the die cut shapes. I just went ahead and opened them all in here. I always love this girl. I usually use it on a page with my daughter. Hot cocoa, labels, tabs, Christmas trees, snowflakes, decorations, more tags. Oh, I love this house. I wish my house looked like that. Isn't that cute? This is a hexagon punch. This is the washi tape that came with the kit, just a red and white stripe. Then we have these yellow stars, if I can get them open. They're like acrylic stars. So cute. Can't wait to use those. I didn't open those up because it would make a hot mess. And then the mini clips, the red mini clips I have here as well. Can't wait to use those. I have them in different colors as well, black and white, rose gold, mint, mustard. So I may be using those as well. These are the tags that came with the kit. Now, some of these wood pieces are from, let's see, it's not from Felicity Jane. This is from another old Studio Calico Christmas sale. This Naughty or Nice is from a sticker pack that I just cut out, not from Felicity Jane either. And these acetate pop-ins, these are a separate add-on which I purchased because I'm planning on adhering. This has acetate. Okay, so it has the 6 holes and then it has a sticky part, and what I'm gonna do is all the shows we go to see, I'm gonna adhere them to here so I don't have to punch holes in the programs. Also with the kit came all these photo corners and some wood veneer stars, snowflakes. Use those as well as all these mini tags. Here are the mini tags. They're the colors that go with the kit, and a bunch of white ones as well. Okay, so I have that here. I also did follow along with Allie Edwards' Product Play 3, and she did hexagons, so I bought some of these sequin hexagons in the red, gold, silver, and green to use in my shaker pages. Okay, the rest of the items I carry in this 12 by 12 bin. These are the doilies from the Felicity Jane kit. I bought an extra set. Here is the girl stamp, Noel. The puffy stickers that came with the kit. Aren't those cute? The stamp set that came with the Noel kit. I already used this December for my foundation pages. A vellum envelope with white raised dots. Good for texture. This puffy stickers word set. Merry, joy, Christmas, cozy, ha ha ha. Or no, ho ho ho. Ho ho ho. Why would it say ha ha ha? Okay, letter stickers. I already started using some of these and I bought a second set. She sold these 6x6 cards separate, 6x6 paper pads separately, so I went ahead and bought those. Cut up the cardstock for the my foundation pages. These two sets of doilies from Studio Calico are my own. And then this sloth paper, my spirit animal is a sloth. So I went ahead and bought this. Isn't that cute? While I was at Joann's. Now here's the rest of her papers, the stuff that I didn't use. I still have all the, what is this called? I'm having a brain fart. You know, that goes on the end of these papers. It'll come to me as soon as I'm done. And this is another piece of cardstock that I used. And then the rest of it is right here. Love stars. Anything with stars I love. This buffalo plaid. And then the solid cardstocks. Okay, so that's how I have all of my Felicity Jane Noel kit organized for December Daily. Thanks for joining me, and be on the lookout for all of my December Daily pages coming in the near future. Thanks, and have a great day.